Today, a great amount of towers were busted in Austin. As a result, there have been inches and inches of rain over Texas. Let us take a quick look. More widespread heavy rain is possible. Probabilities of exceeding 3 inches are likely. And this was before I was finished. You can see all these storms happening, and here in Austin, where I worked. But they also spill over to other areas such as the coastal plains. There's discussion about flooding. Here's some forecasting: 2 to 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches, 1 inch, etc., etc. Storms continue. They seem to be creating a funnel of sorts. Funnels are not unusual with orgonite, but I haven't seen this scale of a funnel. It's ordinarily a funnel that you can see with your own eyes. Mesoscale precipitation discussion highlighting the potential for heavy rain in the coastal plains. 3 to 5 inches. It's not saturated ground, it is rather dry and abused ground. That is why it would lead to flooding, heavy rainfall, and more storms. 3 inches have already fallen.